Lesson 6. Working with objects and tables in Word. Working with drawing objects. You can add shapes such as boxes, circles and arrows to your documents in Word. Inserting a drawing shape. To insert a shape in your document, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab and then click the Shapes button in the Illustrations group. A drop-down list appears with all the shape options. Step 2. Select the shape you want to insert in your document. Step 3. Click and drag anywhere in the document area. The shape will be added to your document. You can also add text to a shape. To do so, right-click on the shape and select the Add Text option from the shortcut menu that appears. The cursor will appear inside the shape. Type the desired text. Note: to create a circle or a polygon with equal sides, press and hold the Shift key while you drag. Inserting a text box. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. A text box can be created and moved to any place in the document. To create a text box, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab and then click the Shapes button in the Illustrations group. A drop-down list appears with all the shape options. Step 2. Select the Text box button from the list of shapes. Step 3. Click and drag anywhere in the working area. The text box will be added to your document with a blinking cursor inside the box. Step 4. Click inside the text box and start typing the text. You can resize the text box using the resizing handles. Note: you can format the text in the text box in the same way as that of the normal text. Modifying the shape and text box. When you insert a shape, it is filled with blue color by default. You can change its fill color, outline color, and apply various effects to it. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the desired shape. The Format tab appears on the ribbon. Step 2. Click the Format tab. Step 3. In the Shape Styles group, click the Shape Fill button and choose the desired fill color from the color palette that appears. Step 4. Click the Shape Outline button and choose the desired outline color from the drop-down menu that appears. You can also change the thickness of the outline and/or apply dashes style using the weight and dashes option respectively. You can also apply an artistic effect to the shape. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Shape Effect buttons in the Shape Style group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 2. Move the mouse pointer over any category of effect and then choose the desired effect from the sub-menu that appears. Inserting word art. Word art is a quick way to make text stand out with special effects. To insert word art in your document, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert word art in a document. Step 2. Click the Word Art button in the text group on the Insert tab. A drop-down list with different decorative text options appears. Step 3. Select the style of your choice. Remove the text from the text box and start typing the new text you want. Inserting pictures. Pictures are equivalent to 100 words. There are 2 ways of inserting pictures in a document. Inserting pictures stored in your computer. To insert a picture file stored in the hard disk of your computer, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert a picture. Step 2. Click the Insert tab and then click the Pictures button in the Images group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the desired image you want to insert and click the Insert button or simply double-click the image. Note: you can change the height and width of the picture by dragging the resizing handles inward or outward. Inserting online pictures. You can also insert pictures from the internet. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab and then click the Online Pictures button in the Images group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Step 2. Enter the keyword in the Bing Image Search text box and press the Enter key. The images matching with the keyword appears. Step 3. Select the desired image and click the Insert button. The image is inserted in the slide. Inserting symbols. Sometimes you need to insert some symbols such as tick mark, cross symbol, division symbol, etc. into your document. These symbols cannot be typed using the keyboard. To insert any of these symbols in your document, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the cursor in your document where you want to insert a symbol. Step 2. Click the Insert tab and then click the Symbol button in the Symbols group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click the More Symbols button. The Symbol dialog box appears. Step 4. In the Font box, choose the font you are using. Click the symbol you want to insert and click the Insert button. Step 5. Click the Close button to close the Symbol dialog box. Inserting a table. A table is a simple arrangement of data in the form of rows and columns which intersect to form cells. Tables allow you to arrange and present your data in an organized and understandable manner. To insert a table in a document, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the down arrow under the Table button in the Tables group on the Insert tab. A drop-down list appears. Step 2. Click the Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the desired number of columns and rows in the Number of Columns and Number of Rows text box respectively. Step 4. Click OK. A table with specified number of rows and columns gets inserted in the document. Entering data in a table. To enter data in a table, click in the cell where you want the data and type the desired text. To move to the next cell of the table, press the Tab key. To move to the previous cell, press the Shift plus Tab key. Formatting text in a table. The text in a table can be formatted in the same way as you format normal text in your document. You can use the various options available in the Font group on the Home tab to format the text. Simply select the cells you want to format and choose the desired options. Inserting and deleting rows and columns. To insert a new blank row or a column in a table, simply click the plus sign that appears when you place the mouse pointer on the edge of the row or column. The new row or column is inserted at that location. Formatting a table. Microsoft Word provides many built-in table styles that you can use to quickly change the look of your table. These styles are present in the Table Styles group on the Design tab. To use a table style, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the table. Step 2. Click the More button in the Table Styles group on the Design tab. A drop-down list with different table styles appears. Step 3. Click on the style which you want to apply on the table in your document. Performing calculations in a table. MS Word allows you to even perform mathematical calculations on the numeric data of the table. For example, you can calculate the total amount in our example table. To do this, follow these steps. Step 1. Add a new row at the end of the table. Type total in the first cell of the row. Step 2. Click in the last cell of the row. This is where the total amount will be calculated. Step 3. Click the Layout tab and then click the Formula button in the Data group. The Formula dialog box appears with equal to sum, bracket, above as the default formula in the Formula text box. Step 4. Click OK to calculate and display the sum of the amount of all items. Note: if you make some changes in the values, then to update the formula result, select the sum value and press the F9 key on the keyboard. Quick recap: you can add shapes such as boxes, circles and arrows to your documents in Word. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. A text box can be created and moved to any place in the document. When you insert a shape, it is filled with blue color by default. You can change its fill color, outline color, and apply various effects to it. Word art is a quick way to make text stand out with special effects. Pictures are equivalent to 100 words. You can add two types of pictures in a document. One, the pictures stored in your computer, and other, the online pictures. In addition to inserting word art, images and shapes, you can insert symbols such as tick mark, cross symbol, division symbol, etc. into your document.